What's up guys, I'm back like I never left. In this video we're going to be talking about the top penny stocks to watch for February 2021. Now these companies have FDA catalyst coming pretty soon in February, so we're going to go over exactly what is the ideal price point to get involved in these companies, what is the potential price target, and I'm also going to go over a quick stock market recap and some important economic reports we need to be watching out for tomorrow. So all this important information coming up. Now, before we get into the video, I appreciate if you can hit the like button. If you have any questions, any comments, make sure you drop it in the comment section below. And shout out to more than 11,000 people that turn on notification. If you have not yet, make sure you turn on notification and subscribe to the channel if you want to stay up to date on what's going on with the stock market. So before I go over in detail talk about the 2021 February penny stock picks, last month we had a phenomenal, outstanding return for the two penny stocks that we talked about. So the first one we talked about was ticker symbol TYME. As you can see today, it's up 93.96% to the upside. So we were talking about this company when it was trading close to $1. So this was the exact price point that we were talking about it. We were risking the $1 area and it hit all the way to $2. That was basically 100% return. And today it hit all the way to $5 and it closed at $3.53. And the news that came out is that there's probably going to be an acquisition happening with this company. So this is the main news that happened, and the stock price went significantly to the upside today. And also the other company that we talked about was LPCN. This company also hit the price target that we set for it. We were talking about it. We were risking the $1.20, the $1.30 area. And it hit all the way to $2.40, So you have to keep in mind that these two penny stocks, these are the top two penny stocks to watch for January. So not all of them are going to hit the price target. That's why I always mention, you have to have a risk area in case things does not work out, in case they do not have a positive, data that released the FDA, and in case something negative happens, the stock price can also go to the downside. So you have to be super careful. But our January picks perform very, very well. So now let's move on to the February picks. The first company that we're going to be talking about is going to be ticker symbol ABEO. As you can see over here today, it had a relatively very solid day. It closed at $2.34. It's up 15%. And the FDA date for this company is going to be on February 12th. So they're going to be doing a presentation to the drug they're trying to pass, which is ABO 102. So if they do a press release talking about how their data is very solid and it's very fantastic and they're going to be moving forward with it, the stock price can definitely rally or break out to the upside. So the price point that we can use to get involved in this company is the risk area is around $1.90, close to $2. This stock has a solid dip right around over here. Now it's closing to the highs it made right around. So if it can break out, it can definitely go to $2.50 to $2.60 and eventually to $3. So that's going to be the first price target for this specific company. And as you can see right here, the share outstanding is 98.53 million shares. So it's relatively not that bad. So the stock can definitely make significant moves within a matter of days, So be on the lookout, and the calendar that we need to be watching out for is going to be February 12th for ticker symbol ABEO. The second company that we're going to be talking about is going to be ticker symbol INFI. As you can see, today is sitting at $3.70. It's up 2%. And they have an FDA-related presentation they're going to be doing in February 11th for phase 2. So you have to be watching out for if the company releases a positive press release talking about this drug. We have a very solid data. We're going to be moving to phase 3 trials. So that stock and that news can significantly affect the stock price. And the areas that we can use to get involved in this company, the risk area, which is important, is going to be $3.24. And our first profit target, if it can hit all the way to $4.50, and it can potentially, if it breaks out, it can go to $5. This is going to be the first price target for this company. So as you can see over here, this is a relatively low float company. The share outstanding is around 64.21. The free float in the market is 229 million. So it can definitely make a big move. As you can see, the stock has been making significant moves for the past few days. It's been rallying. So definitely be on the lookout for that. And you don't have to hold through the FDA related news until it shows up. If the stock just breaks out anticipation that they're going to say something positive, you can definitely sell out and get out if it hits the price targets that we set for it. So definitely keep in mind that. Now, the third company we're going to be talking about is going to be PLX. So they have an FDA related news that could potentially affect the stock price. So they have a phase 3 data presented in February 10, 2021. So As you look at the chart over here, we can definitely risk the price target over here around $4.23. It had a really good day. It went up to the upside for the past few weeks, pulled back. It's holding this price point right around over here. So it's going to be providing a very good risk reward. So it could potentially be going and breaking out close to $5. And we can definitely risk, 10, 20 cents right around over here, or 30 cents to make, 80 to 90 cents over here if it breaks out, all the way to $5 and above that. So be on the lookout for that. And when you also look at the share outstanding, this is also not a lot of shares available, so the stock can definitely move up and down a lot. So the share outstanding is 33.34 million. The free float market cap is 99 million. So relatively not that bad. So be on the lookout. You always have to be careful in these companies, because if things doesn't go work out, the stock price can definitely drop to the downside if you decide to hold through the specific dates that I've mentioned in this video. So these are the top 3 February penny stock picks. Now let's talk about exactly what happened to this stock market today. As you can see over here, we had a relatively pullback to the downside. We have Amazon that's down 2%. They reported their earnings yesterday in after hours. And we also have Tesla that went to the downside. We have Google that is moving significantly, having a mini breakout. It's up 7% to the upside. We have Microsoft, Apple. Apple after hours is going up to the upside. That they announced that they're going to be building their electric cars in the US. And also we have the bank stocks that is performing very well, and energy had a phenomenal day today. It's up, all the majority of the energy companies are doing very well, and semiconductor stocks were really doing very well the past few days, but today eventually they're having a pullback. So tomorrow we have some important economic reports we need to be watching out for. So we have initial jobless claims, continuous jobless claims, and the labor cost factory orders, and we also have Dallas president and San Francisco president speaking. So be on the lookout for that. All the initial jobless claims reports are going to be reported before the market open. So we might see exactly, if the stock market is going to be going up or down, gapping up or down in spite of this news, So make sure you keep an eye for these economic reports. And if you have any questions, any comments, make sure you drop it in the comment section below. If you want to get some free stocks, join the Discord chat, the link's available. But I catch you guys on tomorrow's video. Make sure you manage your risk. If you want to get involved in any of these penny stocks, they can be very risky if you decide to get involved in them. But let's get it for tomorrow. Have a wonderful day.